I'm Ivana Alexander, portfolio holder for education in Powys County Council, and today we're taking a look round the site at Brecon's new high school. It's an important phase for this £21 million development. We're here to explore not only the advantages the new build will have for the learners, but also the benefits that local firms can have from being part of this major project.
My name's Adam Cox and I manage the employment, education and community provision for BAM Construction right here in Wales. We really recognise the importance of utilising local labour where possible. We have around 35 people on site at the moment. Over half of those are from the Powys area. BAM have committed to deliver over 400 apprentice weeks on this particular project. We held a Meet the Buyer event for as many local companies as we could in the Castle Hotel on the 17th of September in 2017. We're pleased to say over 60% of the companies that attended that event were Welsh-based, and our main civils and groundworks contractor was John Jones, who's based right here in Powys.
Well, it means to us not to travel, for one thing. You know, it's a local job, and it's not easy to get to. We're pleased to have this job. We've been used to, traveling a long way away, and it's nice to work with Powys.
My name is Mark Evans. I'm the Heart of Wales Property Services Project Manager. We're at the stage currently where we are monitoring the contractor, obviously, and helping them where we can with things like this access road to make sure that they've got good access. Prior to that, obviously, we were responsible for a large part of the planning. The project's going very well. BAM are a very good contractor, and as you can see, they're on time, they're to budget.
This is exactly what we want in Powys. This is what we need to be spending our Powys pound locally. Employing local people like John Jones, who's the main contractor here, and also other companies like Coils Resurfacing. If we can carry on doing this, it'll grow the economy hugely.